What's up, guys? Corey Kingston here from the Drum Brigade. Welcome back to the Drum Brigade Patreon. We're so happy that you decided to join us today. I have an amazing lesson about Hurtas. Hurtas, yeah. I promise you won't Hurta the competition. Oh. All right, anyways, enough with the puns. Let's get started.
Drum Brigade.
Yes, indeed. All right, so we're going to jump right in. We're not going to waste any more time. We're just going to jump into this. So I'm going to explain what a Herta is. I'm going to teach you how to play it, and then we're going to learn how to use it in the second lesson. All right, so this is step one. I'm going to show you how to play it as 16th notes and 8th notes, and then 32nd notes and 16th notes. So, and then we'll start using that as a fill. We'll learn a couple fills, and then we'll play the copycat game, and it's going to be a good old time. So let me share my screen and explain to you what a Herta is. Man, I really got this thing down. I got this session, what is it called? This system down. Some of the other lessons, I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. All right, anyways. So here we are. This is the Herta pattern. Don't get intimidated yet. It's not that hard. Those are just 16th notes and 8th notes. So we're going to take measure. Notice that there's repeats on each measure. We're going to take each measure and repeat it repeatedly. And so we're going to use each one of these as an individual warm-up, not just repeat it once and then move on. All right, so taking measure number one, we have, you guys who take regular lessons with us, we're using cheesy bread and then cheese. Cheesy bread, cheese. Cheesy bread, cheese. Okay? So that's how we're going to play that. The Herta is basically just 2 fast notes and 2 slow notes. So I have something in the way that you can't see, but I can see it. Let me move that. Okay, so we have our 2 16th notes. Da 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 da. Or sorry, da 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 da. So cheesy bread, cheese. Cheesy bread, cheese. All right, so let's try that together before we even start thinking about the other measures. I don't even want you to look at the other measures. Just look at number one. Here, let me try to fix that. There we go. All right. I have so many people that just are already looking at measure 4, and they're like, how am I going to ever play that? Well, let's just start with measure 1. All right. That'll lead us there. Don't worry. I'll lead you. Okay, so this one's, how easy is this? Let's do this pretty fast. 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes. That's it. 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes. That's the beginning of the Herta. All right, here we go. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Cheesy bread, cheese. I'm getting text messages already. Goodness gracious. Professional I am. Professional. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Cheesy bread, cheese. Cheesy bread, cheese. Cheesy bread, cheese. We're doing these all right hand lead. Cheese. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, one more. Cheesy bread, cheese. Cheesy bread, cheese. Stop. Good. Let's try that left-handed. Ooh. Starting with our left hand. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Cheesy bread, cheese. Cheesy bread, cheese. Cheesy bread, cheese. Cheesy bread, cheese. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, so that chart says 100. That's the tempo. We're doing it at 110 right now, so I'm kind of jumping in pretty fast. But again, this is you can download this sheet music and you can just practice this on your own. I'm just going to show you how it's done, and then you can build on it. So moving on. So that's the beginning of our Herta pattern. It's 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes. All right, so it's cheesy bread, cheese. We have already went over that. So now we're moving on to number 2, where we're going to put this back to back. All right, so now it's cheesy bread, anchovy, sausage, or 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. So instead of thinking it like that, though, thinking about it like that, think about what I just said. So let's work all the way up to right here, the and of 3. Okay, so let's start with that. Just do 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes. All right? That's all we need to do. Da, 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 da. And then we're going to do 2 more after that, 2 more eighth notes. Or, yeah, 2 more eighth notes. Da, 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 da. Cheesy bread, anchovy, sausage, sausage. 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, and then 2 fast notes, 4 slow notes. 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, 4 slow notes. All right, so da 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 da. Slower. Da 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 da. Again, just for emphasis, 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes. Whoops, 2 slow notes, 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, and then 2 more slow notes. Da 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 da. All right, let's try that together. Let's slow this one down a little bit more. We're gonna go to 90. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Keep it going. One more. Ready, stop. Okay, good. Now let's do it left hand lead. 1, 2, ready, go. Keep it going. Every time I talk. Few more. Good. That's good. Very nice. Okay, so now we've officially learned the Herta pattern. That's essentially it. We have 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes. That's our Herta. Okay. In order to make it work in a full measure, that's why we've added the eighth notes at the end. We could do another one, but then it's going to start feeling like it's going over the bar. So we don't want to do that yet. All right, so moving on. Now we have a really fast version of this. This is 30-second notes and 16 notes. So now this is exactly the same as this one, as measure number 2, except we've doubled the speed, basically, of the notes. We haven't doubled the tempo. We've just doubled the subdivision. So this is still 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, 2 fast notes, 4 slow notes. Boom. All right, so that's going to be one of our drum fills. So again, 2 fast, 2 slow. 2 fast, 2 slow. It's just double the speed of now it's that's going to be hard as left hand lead, but we'll try it. Let's try it at 80, okay? Here we go. Oh boy. 1, 2, ready, go. We're not diddling or anything like that. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to talk and play. Let's try it again too. Ready, go. One more. Okay, so what I was trying to say is We're not diddling these notes. This is right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay. That fast note. All singles, linear. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right. So let's try that again. Left hand lead. Oh boy. Can I do this? Okay, I think I'm good. Let me get my ring off. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. One more. Okay. Very good. So yeah, again, if this is if you're having trouble with this, just look at the sheet music, try to play along, but if you can't, then just slow it down and try to play it as, you know, as what at whatever tempo you're capable of doing it. And if you get this one mastered, number 2, then you'll be able to do number 3 eventually. It's just twice as fast. So number 2, number 3, all right, let's move on. I'm getting rid of my text messages here that I'm getting. This is a very casual lesson, very casual. All right, so starting on number 4, we have a 2-measure pattern here. And it's a little bit different at the end. So again, it's still mostly 2 fast notes, 2 30-second notes, 2 16th notes, 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, 2 fast notes, 3 slow notes. And we're still going to do right, left, right, left, right. And then it's going to switch to your left. 2 slow notes, 2 fast notes, all the way down to where it's 3 slow notes at the end. When you repeat, you're going to start on your right. So this is an alternating exercise now. This is like kind of polyrhythmic. So if we continue to do this all the way down, like without this extra note here, then it would go over the bar line and it would be a really cool drum fill and like all that stuff. But we're not going to do that today. We're just going to do this as an exercise. We're going to use this as our warm-up and as our drum fill later. Yeah, that's really cool. All right, so let's try that. It's very similar to the one that we just did, but we're going to try this where the 2 fast notes continue 5 times in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we do an extra note right here. All right, so be with us. Here we go. Oh, God, I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. 1, a 1, a 2, ready, go. Keep it going. Last one. Oh, boy. That's a good one. I like that. It doesn't hurt that too bad. All right, pardon my coffee breaks. It's early over here. I normally do these lessons right after chops and coffee. And you know, today is a day off, but I'm still in here early, so I like lots of coffee any time of the day. So all right, so this is kind of a bonus one. I didn't put a repeat here, but I'll have to write that in later. Anyways, this is just a note on the first. You're gonna start. You're kind of displacing this. You're starting it like on this note kind of idea. So once you do one single at the beginning, single 16th note, then you do your 16th note or 32nd note, 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes, all that jazz until you get to the end. 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes. So yeah, that's it. That's it. All right, so that's a cool drum fill too. Pretend, I'm going to need you guys to pretend, use your imaginations and pretend there's a repeat symbol here. Okay? I forgot to write it. So we're going to do this. Let's step this one up a little bit. Let's go to like 90. Okay, and here we go. So right, I think. Okay, 2, ready, go. Ooh, that's good. That's good. Let's try that left hand lead. Ready, go. That's good. Okay, so that one's a little odd for me. That one's hard to do left hand lead, right hand lead. I should have worked on that before. Let's see. So if I do right hand lead. So I was doing if I start with my left, I still do the Herta part on my right. That's how it feels comfortable for me. Like this being a left, this being a left, this being a left, you know, and then you're starting this Herta like you normally would. And then you have the 3. It's just like this. You have the 3 at the end. If you do a repeat, you have the 3, 1, 2, 3 16th notes, and then you just start. So it's like I said, it's displaced, or it's like a permutation of this. And you can continue this on. Start with 2 16th notes, and then move the Herta to the end. Yeah. Anyways. Okay, so that's lesson number 1. Let me get out of this. Oh boy, what am I doing? Oh boy. Okay, yeah, I'm good. That's lesson number 1, and then we'll start using this as some drum fills. So, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for being Patreons. Thank you guys for helping us reach our goal of our goal is to teach 1,000 students a month. So, we're using Patreon to do that, so we're appreciative that you guys decided to join our Patreon and get some of these amazing lessons. So I hope the Herta pattern warm-up didn't Herta you too much. I said no more puns, but all right, anyways, and now we're going to get to using drum fills. So I'll see you guys on level number 2. Yay!